In a dense, verdant jungle, where the trees towered high and the air was thick with the songs of countless creatures, there lived a brightly colored bird named Toucan. Toucan was known throughout the jungle for his boisterous chatter, so loud and so incessant that it often drowned out the melodious tunes of other birds. One day, a wise old owl residing in the tallest tree of the jungle, tired of Toucan's incessant chattering, called out to the troublesome bird, "Toucan, your voice is loud and boisterous, but it lacks the wisdom and depth that other birds possess. Why not seek out the ancient Whispering Willow, where the wise ones go to learn the secrets of silence?" Toucan, though he was proud and headstrong, could not deny the owl's words. He flew far and wide, eventually finding a great willow tree that seemed to whisper ancient secrets to all who approached it. Toucan perched on a low branch and waited for the tree to speak to him. As the sun set, the willow began to sway gently, and Toucan felt a strange warmth emanating from its core. Suddenly, the tree spoke. To truly communicate, one must listen first. The world is filled with stories waiting to be heard, and wisdom waiting to be shared. By speaking without listening, you miss out on the beauty of the world around you. Toucan listened intently, his eyes wide with newfound understanding. He realized that his boisterous chatter had only served to drown out the voices of others and the wisdom they held. He vowed to change his ways, to listen more and speak less, and to truly learn from those around him. From that day forward, Toucan was no longer the talkative bird he had once been. He became known as a wise and thoughtful creature, who spoke only when he had something truly worthwhile to say. And though his voice was still loud and clear, it was no longer incessant or boisterous. Instead, it was a voice that carried weight, wisdom, and the depth that others had longed for. And so, the jungle thrived with the voices of birds, each lending their own unique melody to the symphony of life. And Toucan, with his newfound wisdom, had learned a valuable lesson, that listening is as important as speaking, and that true wisdom comes from the hearts and minds of those who take the time to truly listen.